Hello, good day everyone. Rohilio here, and today I'm going to show you a short video tutorial on how to set your shared document into a view mode only. So let's start. So supposing you have already shared a document to your students or to a certain group and you have saved it on files, please go to the files, click on the top bottom of your screen, files, then from there, look for that document that you have shared. So I have here, then look for that triple dot or the ellipsis, click on that, and then look for Open in SharePoint. Once you click on Open SharePoint, it will direct you to a browser. This is where you have logged in your Microsoft account. So it will direct you there. Here we go. So from there also you have to look for that document that you have shared. Again, go to the ellipsis, triple dot, click on it, and then go for Manage Access. Click on Manage Access. From here, you have already here your choices where you can set your document into. As the owner, you have the right to set it for view mode only and for edit mode. So this one is the view mode and the other one is for edit mode. So you can also click on the drop down menu. So you have here can view, can edit, and stop sharing. Now I will click on can view so I can only let my students view that document so that they cannot alter or they cannot change the format of that certain document. They can only use that when they are downloading it and attach it as added file when they download. So that's all from me. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time. Bye!